it's Gina with WTI. And when I want to be comfortable but still look cute, I reach for this pair of bib overalls from MAOECO. I've never worn barrel-legged jeans before, so I wasn't sure how they would look on me, if I would even like them, and I gotta say, I absolutely love them. They are so comfortable. I love that there's darts around the knee, so it gives it a little bit of shape, and the length on these is just perfect. I'm 5'4", and this comes to just above my ankle, which I really like because then I can show off my combat boots when I wear them. I'm 140 pounds and have a 29.5-inch waist. I got the size medium and these fit me really well. I like that it does cinch around my waist a little bit, so it gives me some shape, and they're not too baggy to feel like a clown, but not too tight that I'm uncomfortable at all. These have been great for going out, having fun around town, but also they work for me when I want to do chores around the house. In fact, I love them when I'm mowing the lawn because the front pocket on the bib is perfect for putting my cell phone. MAOECO has other sizes and colors to choose from. Trust me, you're going to want one in every color. They're so much fun to wear. I enjoy wearing them any chance I get, and that's my point of view.